Hey friends, GATORMOM here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be chatting all about this Astor Tote from WALLACE. So I just got finished up recording a WALLACE kind of fall haul, if you will, video, or a couple of the items that I had recently purchased from them, as well as chatting about some of their recent releases that I was on the fence with. And this Astor Tote was one of the bags that I shared, and I decided that right away when I was done recording this first look video that I was going to do a review and packing video on this one, because I have a feeling a lot of you are going to want to see this one packed up. I haven't seen a lot of chatter about it, not a lot of reviews on it, and it's one of my favorites. I think it deserves a dedicated video. I'm that excited about it. So this is the Astor Tote. I have it here in black. They did just release this exact bag and a couple of others in this really fun like leopard print for fall. So if that's your jam, I think it would be really pretty on this bag. And if not on like a big bag, maybe throw in some of those leopard accessories inside this like classic black. I think it would be so fun for fall. But this one here, I have been loving. I was on the fence with it just because it was kind of unique, and I'm like, I don't know if I like need another black bag, and it's really, really good. So one of the things I like about it are the unique handles that are sewn into the bag here. I wasn't sure if it was gonna be a comfortable carry or if they were gonna fall off my shoulders, and they really do not. It is the perfect length. I can kind of hold my arm underneath of it like this whenever I wear it. I can easily open it and get everything that I need in and out of the bag. Another thing that I really enjoy about this one is that it has an optional zipper. You don't have to zip the bag, or you can zip it of course at the top, but the flap of the zippers will fold completely down inside of the bag here. And I'll be able to show that to you a little bit better up close when I put the camera down and we like pack it up. But I always leave it unzipped because that's just kind of how I carry my bags unless I'm traveling. But you have this little buckle that goes across the top opening, and it's just perfect in my opinion because it adds just that little bit of like security or closure to the top of the bag without having it to be like completely zipped. And then if you didn't want to buckle it, you could of course just tuck this inside the bag as well. So I just think it's really cool. It opens up nice and wide at the top. And then as far as interior organization, it's just like all the other WALLACE bags, has a zip pocket as well as two kind of slip pockets. So I love it. It's pretty simple in the way that it's designed, but I think that it's just different enough to be a really good staple piece, if that makes sense. Let me kind of throw it on just so you can see it a little bit better on the body. I'll like scoot back here so that you can see how big it is. I think it is a really, really nice size. It's your standard tote. You cannot carry it crossbody. It does not have a crossbody strap. This is what you get as far as how to carry it. So I think it's awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down now and pack it up because I think that's what a lot of you are gonna be curious about, is to see what actually fits inside of it and how you can organize it. I will have a link to my What's in My Bag blog post page that lives on my blog. It'll have links. I try to update it as much as possible, but it'll have like a running list of things that I'm currently packing in my bags or things that you might have seen in other packing videos if you want links to any of them. And then of course the link to this bag will be down there as well. So let's go ahead and pack it up. All right, so this is how I've been basically using it for a little while now. It has pretty much the same stuff that I've had packed in here for the last couple of, gosh, maybe weeks now that I've been using this one. I love it. I can't get enough of it. It's just so super comfortable to carry. Right here on the top, I just have a hair clip if you were wondering what was kind of flopping around or weighting it down over there. This is a like bow clip that I got at Ulta randomly one day. I actually have no idea what the brand even is. I'll try to find it and link it. I know this is kind of a random link for me, but it is so comfortable like on my head, and it's this really pretty kind of brushed gold, and it looks like really cute. I don't know. For me, it's hard to find like a good hair clip, so that's what I've been using like a ton. Besides that, there's nothing else attached to the outside of this bag. And I don't have it zipped. I know, that's a shocker. And I don't have, there isn't any other pockets or anything like that. So I just have this little tiny piece of leather that's over the top here, and it buckles right here in the front. Easy peasy. I never really buckle it, and sometimes I even tuck it in the inside of the bag, but it opens up really, really wide, as you can see, and it kind of stays open because it's floppy, it's unstructured, but because of the way that it's shaped, it doesn't like flop over on you, if that makes any sense at all. Plus I have it packed, obviously, but anyways, I really, really like the way it packs. This is what the zipper looks like if you wanted to zip it. I know it was kind of hard to see that earlier. It just zips up real easy, like so. And it is kind of open over here on the side. It doesn't go all the way, but pretty much. But if you wanted to leave it open a little bit, if you had like an umbrella or something like that, there is a little tail over here. So it's the same, doesn't go all the way over, but yeah, it zips pretty much completely closed. So like I said, I keep it tucked in usually at all times. Right here sitting on top of the bag, there is some extra room. I actually had a like flannel on earlier because I was inside and it was a little chilly, and I was able to just like lay this on top and kind of throw it over the bag. So I like that there's like a little bit of like extra room there at the top. But if you wanted to pack this bag more vertically, like I have my book here horizontally, I had my planner in here earlier, I actually don't have it in right now, and that was sitting up vertically, and that's like a 7x9 planner. You can pack it that way if you wanted to, but I kind of like it like this. So on top here, I'll stop like yapping. I have this little pouch that I got on Amazon. It was like a set of 2. I was searching like cute fall pouches and this one came up and I really like it. So hopefully this pattern is still available. I'll link it if it is. But what I like about it is it's really soft and kind of flimsy, but the inside is like a wipeable lining. So I just throw like snacks in it. I have a protein bar, I have some of these sticks, I have a That's It bar, some chomps at the bottom. So that kind of thing. This also makes a really great like tech case or like pen and pencil case or whatever. So I have that there on top. Tucked over here on the side, I have my eyeglasses and sunglasses in here. I need a new case for them. I just keep using this one so I can fit them both in there, but I need to search and get a different case for them. Then I also have tucked over here, there's a little key leash, and attached to it, oh, it actually went underneath the little cosmetic case there, but attached to it, I have my Touchland hand sanitizer with the cute little Crocs case, and I have my Oventure key ring, my car key, an extra hair tie, house, office keys, all the things. So all of that's attached here to this leash if I need to like grab it quickly. And then I have my Owala water bottle over here sitting up vertically, as you can see. And then I have, let's see, I'll tuck this back in here so it kind of holds a little bit more of a structure. There are some pockets inside. I have a zip pocket back here. Over on this side of the bag, you do have 2 pockets. In this one here, I have my wallet, and this is the Ondar dinner wallet. I just have a pen, and I also have a scrunchie and a Touchland hair and body mist in the scent Cashmere Woods. It's been a favorite. So I have that in there. I also have my Erin Condren notebook you guys are probably sick of seeing, but this I don't go anywhere without. It's like keeps all my life together. And then I have the book that I'm reading, which is so cute. I'm only about, like a quarter of the way through this one, but it's so good. It's a really sweet little romance. It's a part of the Book of the Month Club. I don't know if any of you do that or not. I just recently, this is literally my first month, but it's a monthly subscription, and every single month you get to pick out a different book from their books of the month. And this month I picked a romance, naturally, because that's kind of what I gravitate towards when I read. And this one is just really, really cute. So love that. And then besides those things that I just pulled out, it's empty, all except my keys and that Touchland hand sanitizer, and then one pouch, which you can hardly see because it's black, just like the bag, but it is the small cosmetic case or cosmetic, yeah, I think it's a small cosmetic bag or case or something from MZ Wallace. I have the medium. I just packed that actually in a video earlier this week, and I love the size of that one, but I use the small one so much. so much. I love this bag. There's 2 zippers, 2 separate compartments. When you unzip both of them here, they open up nice and wide, and you actually have zippers on the inside of both of them here. So in this one here, I just have tissues. Inside I have hair ties. This is all kind of cosmetics. I have a Laneige lip, what is this? A tinted lip serum. It's really good. I also have a nail file. I have my L'Occitane hand cream. You guys see that in all my videos. Eye drops. Over here I have some of these teeth whisks in this little zipper. And then I also have, I have my pillowcase. I showed this in a video, but I want to mention it again because I really like it. It has this little compartment that comes off the top. And this is so great if I have like a small like sling bag or something that I'm going in and out of, like say one of like my son's football games or something like that. I can grab this and just pop it in there and have all my like essential medicine, like my Advil or Excedrin, and it just is like a magnet right on top there. And then there's so much room inside here for like all my other pills. So really been liking this one. And I just have gum, a small little deodorant, and another like chapstick in there. So love this little case. It holds a ton and packs really well. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful. If you were interested in this Astor Tote, I highly recommend it. I think you would really enjoy it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. I will see you soon. Bye.